Hey everyone, here in this video we'll talk about the auto replacement of manifest placeholders. With this newly added feature in BuildPiper, users can replace the value of any key in their manifest files. So now there is no need for your team to put in arduous manual efforts to change the key value in each and every manifest file during the deployment process. Here is how you can update the placeholder value in the manifest file. After logging in to the BuildPiper user portal, you will enter the BuildPiper dashboard. This is the central dashboard. From here, you need to select an app. Here we'll choose Test app. Go to Manifest Placeholder. Then you can either select the manifest kind from the provided options or you can specify your own custom value. Now, these are the resources in whose manifest file you wish to update the placeholder value. Here, we'll choose config map. Now you need to define the complete placeholder path you wish to replace or change the value for. We'll enter the path name as metadata.name. Now you need to mention the placeholder value of your choice, or you can also choose a custom value. We'll choose namespace. BuildPiper allows users to assign values to the placeholder either by choosing dynamic variables or static variables. Dynamic variables are the ones whose values change according to the environment. Users can select from the list of dynamic variables listed here. On the other hand, if the users want the placeholder values to remain the same, they can specify the static variables. These do not change with respect to the environment. Finally, click on Save to continue and to auto-replace the placeholder value. As you can see, here's the manifest kind placeholder path along with the value that you have updated.